Over the weekend, Silas, Riley, and myself, all three from OU, went up to OSU for the Hack Ohio. It's a 24-hour hackathon hosted by Ohio State University. And we got there and we weren't really sure what to do at first. So we spent a little bit of time thinking and we came up with the idea of using a newly open source project called OpenAI Whisper and combining that with a Discord bot. So OpenAI Whisper, what it does is it'll take speech and it can convert that to text and it can also translate that if you'd like. So integrating this into a Discord bot seemed like it would be pretty useful. For the Discord bot itself, we actually built that in Rust. So typically you'd see a Discord bot used in Python or JavaScript because those are kind of easy to use languages. Rust doesn't have a whole lot of support. There are two Discord APIs currently available for Rust, but they are in the very early stages of development, so that made it a little harder to use. So I'm in the general chat of the Discord from my phone. I'm going to go ahead and start the transcription of the general chat on Discord. Trevor, or as we like to call him, Tr-Tr-Trevor, the translating and transcribing Trevor, is joining the general chat, and currently he's listening to me. He records everything I say, and if you look to the left of the screen, you'll see some files popping up into the directory there. Those are recordings of my voice, and then Trevor will take that and convert that to text. As you can see, he's already started. I'm going to leave the general chat, and we can see some of that pop in as I talk. So we spent the 24 hours building this, and it was pretty fun. First hackathon I had ever been to, first hackathon Silas had ever been to. Riley had been to some before, but first experience, and I did stay up the whole 24 hours, as did Riley and Silas. We were very tired at the end. So far, Trevor seems to be doing a pretty good job. He got his name correct, the translating and transcribing Trevor, joining the general chat, and currently he's listening to me. So this model, or the AI, has multiple models. There's a tiny model all the way up to a large model. Currently he's running on the small model. The medium model between small and large is extremely accurate. It gets all the punctuation and even non-English words that I say correct. As I said before, Trevor has the capability to translate, and that is a future feature that we would like to integrate into this. We do plan on keeping on working on this project because it does seem like it has lots of use. So once Trevor finishes in the command line, we currently use a shell script, and it just says that he's waiting for something to do because there isn't any speech coming in. So I can go ahead and tell Trevor to disconnect, and then he will leave the general chat. The Discord API that we used for this was Serenity. It is fairly new, so it did give us some complications during the actual project. It was mostly Silas and Riley that spearheaded that because I haven't had any experience with Rust before, but they have. I did do some testing with other languages, but Rust ended up winning out in the end. Thank you for watching. If you have any interest in this Discord bot, it is open source. I'll provide a link to the GitHub in the description,